Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, salam kebajikan, nama budaya. My name is Aisyah Rara Maharani. Behavioral theories in accounting. 1. Behavioral accounting. Accounting is traditionally viewed as a number-driven and objective discipline grounded in precise calculation, standardized rules, and rational decision-making. However, when we examine it more closely, we begin to see that accounting is also heavily influenced by human behavior. This includes psychology factor, individual motivation, emotional response, social influence, and cognitive limitation. People involved in accounting, whether they are accounts manager, auditor, or investor, do not always behave in perfectly logical or predictable way. 2. What are behavioral theories in accounting? Behavioral theories in accounting refer to conceptual models that explain how psychological and emotional factors affect the way accounting information is produced, interpreted, and used. These theories focus on real-world behavior, recognizing that people are not always rational and that decision-making can be influenced by stress, incentive, cognitive bias, and organizational culture. In other words, while accounting standards provide a framework for decision-making, behavioral theories examine how people operate within or sometimes outside of that framework. 3. Agency theory. One of the most well-known behavioral disorders in accounting is agency theory. This theory focuses on the relationship between two parties, the principal, such as the shareholder, and the agent, such as manager. Ideally, the agent should act in the best interest of the principal. However, in practice, agents often pursue their own goals, for example, maximizing bonus or job security, even if it means manipulation financial results. This misalignment tracks what we call an agency problem. Accounting system internal control and audit are designed in part to reduce this problem, but behavioral pressure can still lead to conflict and unethical reporting. 4. Prospect theory and risk perception. Another important theory is prospect theory, developed by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. This theory suggests that people don't always act logically when it comes back to risk. Instead, we tend to fear loss more than we value gains. In accounting, this can explain why managers may hide bad news, delay expense recognition in agents in earning management. Their discussions are often shaped not just by the number, by emotional reaction to potential losses, such as fear of disappointing investor or losing their job. 5. Cognitive bias in accounting. Behavioral accounting or highlight the role of cognitive bias, mental shortcuts, or distortions that can affect how we process information. Some common bias in accounting include confirmation bias, where individuals only see information that support their existing belief, and where people rely too heavily on the first piece of information they see, such as last year's review, and overconfidence, where decision makers overestimate their score of judgment. This bias can lead to poor audit quality and misinformation of financial data. In summary, behavioral theories in accounting help us understanding that behind every financial report is a series of human discussion, and those discussions are not made in a vacuum. Factors like motivation, fear, bias, and pressure all influence accounting outcomes. By studying these theories, we can become better equipped to design accounting systems that are not only technical sound but also aligned with real human behavior. This understanding is critical for improving transparency, ethics, and trust in financial reporting. Thank you.